Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cocktail bird cage. First, gather your essential materials. You will need about 3 feet of food-grade wire, like stainless steel or aluminum, along with a pair of small pliers and a sturdy base. Make sure all your tools are clean and ready for crafting. This ensures a safe and beautiful presentation for your drinks. Next, let's build the cage frame. Start by forming your base, perhaps a 3-inch circle or square. Then, bend your wire upwards to create vertical supports, spacing them about 1 inch apart for an even look. Finally, bring these vertical wires together at the top, twisting them gently to form a secure dome or peak for your cage. Now for the fun part, decorating your bird cage. You can add small, non-toxic embellishments like tiny beads or charms to enhance its charm. Consider attaching a miniature perch or a little swing inside for a truly whimsical touch. Always ensure all your chosen decorations are securely fastened and completely food-safe, keeping your guests' safety in mind. Finally, it's time to serve your stunning cocktail creation. Carefully place a small cocktail glass, perhaps a 2-ounce coupe, securely inside your finished bird cage. Garnish your drink with beautiful edible flowers or vibrant fresh fruit slices for an extra pop of color. Present your unique cocktail bird cage to your guests with confidence and enjoy their delighted reactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.